To one and all, my name is Vivek. Now I am going to explain Federalism chapter. What is Federalism? Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. The vertical division of power among different levels of government is referred to as federalism. Federalism is the one of the major forms of power sharing in modern democracy. Key features of federalism. Federalism has two or more levels of government. Each level has its own power or jurisdiction. Jurisdiction is specified by the constitution and there is constitutional guarantee of authority. Constitutional provisions can be changed only with the consent of both levels of government. Court interprets the constitution and power of different levels of government. Supreme Court is the empire if disputes arise with different levels of government. Sources of revenue are clearly specified. Types of federalism: coming together and holding together. First one, coming together. This is the independent state coming together their own to from bigger unit. They can increase their security by pooling sovereignty and retaining identity. Examples are USA, Switzerland, and Australia. Holding together type. In this type, a large country decided to divide power between constituent states and the national government. In this, the central government tends to be more powerful vis-a-vis the states. Examples are India, Spain, and Belgium. Three lists of constitution. The constitution clearly provided a threefold distribution of legislative powers between the union government and the state government. Thus, it contains three lists: union list, state list, concurrent list. First one, union list. It includes subjects of national importance such as defense of the country, foreign affairs, banking, communication, and currency. State list. It contains subjects of state and local importance such as policy, trades, commerce, agriculture, and irrigation. Concurrent list. It includes subjects of common interest to both the union government as well as the state government, such as educational, forest, trade unions, marriage, adoption, and succession. This is a picture of levels of government. Language policy. A second test for Indian federalism is the language policy. Our constitution did not give the status of national language to any one language. Hindi was identified as a official language, but it is the mother tongue of only about 40% of Indians. The central government said to continue the use of English along with Hindi for official purposes. Types of local government: rural local government, urban local government. First, rural local government. Rural local government is popularly known as Panchayati Raj. This is a council consisting of several ward members, often called Panch, and our president or Sarpanch. It is decision making body for the entire village. A few gram panchayats are grouped together to form what is usually called Panchayat Samiti or Block Mandal. All the Panchayat Samiti or Mandals in the district together constitute the Zilla Parishad. Next, urban local government. These are two local government in urban areas. Municipalities, they are set up in towns and are controlled by elected bodies consisting of people's representatives. Municipal chairperson is the political head of the municipality. And second one is municipal corporation. These are set up in big cities and are controlled by elected bodies consisting of people's representatives. Mayor is the head of the municipal corporation.